to my channel. Welcome back. If you've been here before, I'm Beautiful Love Forever, aka Tay. So I already did my eyebrows, and now I'm going to prime my eyes with my Ulta Beauty liquid full coverage concealer in medium warm, and I'm going to set it with my Urban Decay All Nighter setting powder. Now I'm using the Beauty Limitless Beauty eyeshadow palette, and I'm just going to take that shade right there and put that in my crease, and then I'm going to take that white gold shade and put that on my lids. Also, if you're watching and you're not subscribed, please make sure you subscribe, make sure you hit the bell and you click all so you'll be alerted of all my uploads. I upload a new short every Monday and a new video every Friday. Now I'm using the Girlactik Precise Marker Liner. Next, I'm using my House of Lashes Eyelash Glue, and I'm using my Ioni Lashes. Moving on to the face, I already moisturized. Now I'm using my Everyday Humans Rose from Above Mineral Sunscreen. For my primer, I'm using the AOA Studio Face Primer. To correct the dark spots on my face and neck, I'm using my LA Girl Pro Concealer Orange Corrector. Next, I'm using the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Soft Matte Longwear Foundation in shade 425. For some more coverage, I'm using e.l.f. Camo Concealer in Deep Chestnut, and I'm just going to put this all the places where I put my orange corrector. using the Maybelline Super Stay Full Coverage Under Eye Concealer, and I'm just going to use this to highlight, and I'm actually putting this all the places where the light would naturally hit my face. Now while that's sitting, I'm going to use the Juvia's Place bronzer palette in dark, and I'm just going to use that top shade to contour my nose as well as go around my jawline since it's lighter, and I'm going to use the other shade to bronze the other parts of my face. Okay, I blended out that concealer, and now the set where I had it down, I'm going to use a combination of my ABA setting powder and Deep Peach and my Urban Decay setting powder. For my all over face powder, I'm using my Fenty Beauty Soft Matte Powder Foundation in the shade 440. Next, I'm using Juvia's Place Blush Duo Blush, and this is in volume 4, and I'm just going to use that top shade for my blush. To highlight, I'm using my Black Radiance True Complexion 3D highlighter. I'm just going to use that shade right there for my highlight. For lips, I'm using my Juvia's Place Lip Liner in Brownie, and I'm using my Too Faced Liquid Lipstick in Making Moves. To set my face, I'm using my Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. And that is it for this makeup look, this white gold eyeshadow makeup look. I hope that you all enjoyed it. I enjoyed creating this. If you're not subscribed, please make sure you subscribe. Make sure you hit the bell and you click all so you'll be alerted about my uploads. I upload a new short every Monday and a new video every Friday. Also, everything I use will be listed in the description box as well as all my social media handles. Also comment, like, share. I would love to hear from you all. And y'all can tell me what's the next makeup look y'all want to see. So let me know that also. And I'll see you on the next one. Make sure you take care of yourselves. Bye.